Hi guys, welcome to my channel Thrive to Trade. So today was a good profitable day, but I won't say it was a very satisfactory day because चीज़ें positive हो गई. It was profitable. However, technical setup was good, but जो mental setup you need to understand before trading. So that mental setup was not right. I over traded. I usually take 3 to 4 trades in a day, and I don't fight with the market. I try not to fight with market. I try not to recover my losses. However, these are all some mental barriers which you need to overcome when you are trying to trade. So I over traded. आज 6 ट्रेड ले लिए मैंने, out of which 3 were profitable and 3 were not profitable. So here you can see I traded on Fin Nifty today. All the trades were on Fin Nifty because आज Fin Nifty का expiry था and I was trying to capture as much value as possible. So this was my call का trade, ये मैंने लिया था. So the trade, I'll tell you the reason why I took this trade. Market नीचे जा रहा था when it started. When market opened, it was going down and it created a declining triangle. And फिर बाद में यहाँ एक range पे आके it was range bound for a while. So एक triangle बना दिया, एक square बनाया वहाँ पे जहाँ पे वो range bound हो रहा था. एक 10:30 से 11:30 बजे के बीच में market was completely range bound. So I was of the opinion कि whenever it is going to break that range जहाँ पे market घूम रहा था, I am going to go for a call option. So market did break that at around 11:30 and I took a call option and it gave somewhere around 2000. मेरे 2 losses को recover करके it gave 2500 rupees profit. And again after going up, the buyers and sellers started to fight with each other and the candle started to show some psychology that it is going to resist. It is not going to go up very smoothly. I did not book profit there. I was hoping it will make an inside candle. जब inside candle बनता है, then there is a chance that market is going to go even more high. But ये inside candle ना बना के it started going down. I was 2500 rupees profit in that particular position. I ended up booking my profit at somewhere around 1000 rupees. So if you'll see, I lost 1000 rupees, but of course it's okay because if market is going to give you returns, you are going to lose money as well. So I squared off this trade at 1000 rupees and and then later on I also took few more trades which I'll show you in the next part. So this is my complete trade for today. As I said, I over traded. I usually take 3 to 4 trades. I traded 6 positions. I took 6 positions today. First 3 trades gave me losses और जो नीचे के 3 ट्रेड्स हैं उन्होंने मुझे अच्छा खासा फ़ायदा दिया था. सो अगर आप ये ट्रेड देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे मैंने वो 1000 रुपये जो कमाए थे आफ्टर द ट्राइंगल ब्रोक आउट. सो दिस इज़ द ट्राइंगल दैट मेड. आई विल जस्ट पुट 15 मिनट्स का चार्ट मैं लगाता हूँ. सॉरी. सो दिस इज़ 15 मिनट्स चार्ट. इफ़ यू विल सी इन दिस 15 मिनट्स चार्ट एक ट्राइंगल बनाया हुआ है एंड दिस ट्राइंगल, आफ्टर दिस ट्राइंगल you'll see at the corner of the triangle from 10:30 till 11:30 ये squared shape में, rectangular shape में जो है, this was the range that was created by the market. ये market इसी में घूम रहा था and I was of the opinion अगर ये range तोड़ेगा it will go up. So you'll see range टूटा and it went up and it gave me 1000 rupees profit. After that that was one first profitable trade. After that, if you'll see this particular trade which I took, it gave me a very good return. It was around 5000 rupees return. If you'll see the position detail, 6,500 रुपये डाल के करीब 11,000 रुपये का प्रॉफिट हुआ था. 6 रुपये प्रीमियम पे मैंने ये ख़रीदा था. सो यहाँ पे दिस द फ़ायदा इज़, यहाँ पे ये होता है कि योर रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड इज़ वेरी गुड. आपका रिस्क बहुत कम होता है एंड आपका रिवॉर्ड बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. सो यहाँ पे अगर मान लीजिए एट दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट आई हैव ट्रेडेड एट अ वेरी हायर वॉल्यूम. माई लॉट साइड वॉज high, that's why it was 6,000 rupees trade. Otherwise if you'll go for let's say 200 lot 300 lot, it won't cost you much, but it can give you multiple returns, it can give you double return. So ये जो पर्टिकुलर कैंडल है रेड कलर का, ये रेड कलर के कैंडल पे मुझे 5,000 का प्रॉफिट मिला. इट वॉज 5 minutes I gained 5,000 rupees over here, which was a very good return. And then the last trade, if you'll see, 2 rupees 70 19,500 call option where I got 286 rupees profit. This was taken by me not with the right setup, right set of mindset. I just entered into this trade. However, I knew it is going to give me profit. 80 पैसे पे मैंने ये ख़रीदा था. This position went as high as 3 rupees. So it gave me very good return. It could have given me a very good return, but I got out of this trade at 1.35 पैसे because I was not very confident. जब आप कोई ट्रेड खरीदे, whenever I'm going to buy a trade, I want 100%. I want to be 100% sure. I want to check all the parameters. अगर 2-4 parameters stick हो जाते हैं, then I get into this trade, any trade. But in this particular trade, I just entered without checking all the parameters. So इसीलिए जब मुझे करीब 250 रुपये की पॉजिटिव दिखा मुझे, I got out of this trade. So overall, if you'll see, today was a good profitable day. So learning is that risk to reward is very important. अगर आपका कम पैसे में, if you are getting at a lower premium, if you are getting a position at a lower premium, get into it and try to maximize the profit. And don't overtrade. The negative point is don't overtrade, and you should also know when to enter into market. All the setups which I tried to make in the previous trade, the ones which are in red, all the setups were right, but the only problem was that I did not know when to enter. I could not enter at the right time. So the time when I entered, market started showing a reversal. So in this case, I ended up making losses in the first 3 trades. So learning is that you should know when to enter into the market. Even if your mental setup is correct, your technical setup is correct, if you don't know when to enter into the market, then जब आप enter करोगे उसके बाद reversal आ जाएगा. So this is what my learning is, and the positive side is risk to reward. So thank you for watching.